Maxplorer radar navigation. So here it is. Here is the app. Explore the world with navigation radar. Enjoy advanced maps, offline access, speed alerts, and more. Subscribe for premium features and travel experience. Navigation radar, safe and easy travel with advanced maps. So this is a viral app right now. Drive safer, avoid tickets. So this is pretty cool feature. Radar and speed limit alerts when you overspeed, see facilities along your route, detailed search with satellite view. So receive instant notification with an early warning system against traffic fines and speed violations. Stay within speed limits and with smart alerts that prioritize your safety. Offline maps, multiple map views, 3D and satellite view, discover nearby places, save locations and view recent routes. Search with satellite view yeah, so that's basically an idea in here. So then you can just open it up and then you can just see the idea. And you can see there is free trials, 3-day free trial, then $7 per week. Or there is yearly access, just $40 per year. There is no free trial there, so there is only weekly free trial. So then you have notifications, and then you can update radars. So yeah, here you can then just go and see the details. And then, for example, yeah, you can see where the radars are available. So then you can see it in here. So for example, it just depends where you want to check it out, and then yeah, you can just see the details. So yeah, you just need to navigate that, and then there is a list. So yeah, it just depends. So yeah, you can then just tap. If you wanna, you can just unlock all the radar locations. Again, it just depends which city, which location you are in. So that's just what it is. And seems you still need to download the app to see the whole details. But I don't know whether you can actually see radars in the free version. You can see some, but maybe not in all locations. But yeah, this is one of the best apps for radars. Seems still you need to upgrade to use it fully, but there you have it.